kind of interesting as well. NFL has finalized its year-end club adjustments, which factor in incentives, roster bonuses, carryover cap space. Figure was then added to or subtracted from the $224.8 million to determine the team's adjusted cap number for 2023. And what you see is the Browns rolled over a significant portion of it. So they have the highest cap number by whatever. The difference is there, 13 million, 14 million, something like that. So, again, that's why you don't use that's why Andrew Berry didn't use the cap space. It's rolled over.
Yeah, and they still don't have any wiggle room. They
Right.
have that many contracts on the books. So they that was a necessity. I know people saw that $40 million sitting there like, why aren't we using it? Well, because it's already spoken for in the future. Now, what's going to happen is there's going to be several restructures between now and camp, and there's going to be money sitting there then. It's going to have to be rolled over for next year. This is what you do when you kick the can down the road. It just becomes a credit card. But you still have to pay it off at some point, so you still have to keep that snowball effect of rolling over from year to year to year. But yeah, that's the reason they're starting with $251 million is because they didn't spend that money last year.
Yeah, and if you don't think it eventually comes due, look at some of the cuts that the Rams have made this year. It eventually comes due. Now, they won a Super Bowl, so my question to you is, Browns fans, if it means winning a Super Bowl, do you take the cap casualties a year or two after the Super Bowl? Everybody signs up and says, yes, we do, Dave.